Recovering deleted files from the downloads folder on Windows depends on how they were deleted. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to recover deleted files from your downloads folder, even if they were deleted permanently. When you press the delete key or right-click and delete on a file in the downloads folder, it is usually moved to the recycle bin unless you empty the recycle bin. So just open the recycle bin by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. Right-click the file or files you want to restore and click Undo. The file will be restored to its original folder. Windows Recycle Bin temporarily holds deleted files. If the file is still in the recycle bin, restoring it is instant and 100% successful. If the file is not in the recycle bin, then it was permanently deleted. You would need to try the Windows File Recovery tool, which is a Microsoft's official tool. It is 100% free with no file size limit, making it a reliable choice for recovering deleted files. Let's proceed with recovering permanently deleted files by opening your Microsoft Store and searching for Windows File Recovery. Click Get on the suggested option and wait for the installation to complete. When done, open the file. The command prompt will open automatically as an administrator. Since our deleted files were in the downloads folder, which is usually in the drive C, you'll have to recover them to a different drive. Type WINFR, which launches the Windows File Recovery. Drive C is the source drive where the deleted files were located, typically on your system drive. D recovered files is the destination folder on another drive where recovered files will be saved. This must not be on the same drive as the source. R enables segment mode, which is a deeper scan than the default. This is good for files deleted long ago or from formatted drives. N specifies the path or pattern to recover. Username downloads is the exact path to the deleted files, where username is an environment variable that autofills your logged-in Windows username. This command recovers deleted files from the downloads folder on the drive C and saves them to a folder called Recovered Files on the D drive using Deep Recovery Mode. Press Y to begin the scan. The tool will recover files incrementally, showing its progress. Some files may fail to recover with an error. When recovering files, you may encounter a prompt like File Exists. This happens when the destination folder already contains a file with the same name as the one you are trying to recover. The system will ask how you want to handle the conflict by choosing a letter to proceed. 0 for overwriting files, S to skip files, A to always overwrite files. You just have to choose the preferred letter to proceed. After you have successfully recovered the files, it's time to inspect what was recovered. Simply press Y to view the recovered data. The files will be sorted into folders automatically, so you would have to just inspect them manually. Recovered files may not retain original names or extensions. You might see names like this, which is a normal behavior, especially when deep scan mode is used. I don't remember deleting these files based on the timestamps. They appear to have been erased prior to my ownership of the drive. This tool has impressive recovery capabilities. Because file names are lost, you need to open files manually to identify their content. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to recover deleted files from your downloads folder, even if they were permanently deleted.